going to be doing this week is taking a look back at all of the best bits of a trip we did last year out to Carnarvon. It was a fantastic journey out there with so many things to see and do along the way. So let's go take a look. Well, good morning. We're on the road, finally. So this morning we've taken the back way to get up towards Blackbutt. So we've gone Fernvale, Wivenhoe, Somerset and around that way, as you'll see on the map here. Beautiful drive, no matter what time of year, along this road. Make our way up towards Blackbutt. Today I think we're going to get a few Ks done. I think the plan will probably be to get up as far as Gayndah and spend the night there. Then we've got a few national parks and other things that we're going to be stopping at along the way. It's going to be a fantastic journey. A lot of this I haven't actually done before, so I'm really looking forward to it. So we've just been headed out along Gayndah Mundubbera Road towards Mundubbera, and we've stopped here quickly at Wains Hill Lookout. Just have a bit of a look around the place. Great little lookout actually, you've got 360-degree views. And you'll see down below us here we've got the Burnett River as well. So you've got some nice little views to that. All right, we just wanted to stop and stretch the legs and take a bit of a look at the lookout here. So we'll get back on the road now and head back towards Mundubbera. I just like the look of Mundubbera a little bit better than Gayndah for a place to stay for the evening. We've just pulled in here to the Three Rivers Tourist Park. Ended up being a really nice place to stay. It was just the first place that I came across. And the staff here are actually really nice. And it's a pretty nice looking little area. It's right next to the main road, but it's actually really quiet. As you can see here, it's right next to a farm, which is pretty cool. There's some cows that come out and say good day to you in the afternoons and in the mornings. It's about 2 o'clock now, so we're just going to sit down for the afternoon and chill out and have some dinner and get a nice early night and get up in the morning nice and early to get back on the road again. We'll see you then. Well, good morning. It's time for us to bid a fond farewell to Mundubbera. Today we've got a really big day ahead. We're going to head off to Monto and check out some silo art, which I believe is there, very similar to what the water tower is here behind me. And then we're going to head off to Cania Gorge this afternoon, go for a bit of a walk around there, check it out. Not really sure if I stay there a day or two. We'll see how we go. All right, let's get back on the road. Well, here we are at the silos at Monto. These things are huge. They've got to be like 15-20 metres tall, something like that, probably 20 metres. Would take a hell of a lot of time to do. Let's take a look. A cool little picnic area here at Cania Gorge. the Cania Gorge picnic area, which we're just pulling into right now. The Gorge picnic area here is pretty cool actually. It's right up against one of the walls of the gorge, so you can see all the red and brown of the rock sticking out. Makes for a nice little view. Great setup here. You can basically cook your barbecue and look at the walls of the gorge as you're cooking, which is pretty awesome. Be a great place to come and hang out for the day. Alright, well that was pretty cool. I think it's time we head back to the camping now. I was going to go up and camp at the Big Four up the road, but I've decided to go back a little bit. Just looks like there's a few more walks that are available from there as well. And I think it'd be a bit better of a place to be situated, a bit more central to all the walks that I want to go on and all the things that I want to check out. So I think we'll get going there now. The outcrops here at Bigfoot are really cool. You can see here, it almost looks like they're being held up by this tree. It's pretty crazy. And just next to Bigfoot here, you've got these caves as well, which are really cool. And they go back about 5 meters, as you'll see from your pictures here. It's a pretty cool little area, and it's great that it's actually this close to the van park as well. Literally 50 meters away, so pretty handy. So it turns out that there are actually a lot of walks here. I wasn't really aware of that earlier on when I came in. As I mentioned, I don't really check out places before I come to them. I just sort of find out while I'm here and see what I can see, and I'm happy doing that. There was earlier on, which we looked at, the Bigfoot walk, which is only about 50 meters from the entry of the van park that we're staying at. And the day use area that we're at earlier, I noticed on the way out, there are a lot of signs for walks from there, like the overhang and a few other different things. Wasn't really sure when I was looking at the maps as to where all of the walks actually came from. And it looks to me like most of them are up there or across the road from the day use area. So it's probably better to be going on the walks from up near the day use area. All right, we're gonna head back to camp now and just rest up for the afternoon. We'll see you in a bit. One of the other fantastic things about this particular van park here is that they have a daily bird feeding here, which is included in the price of your admission when you camp. So all you need to do is just turn up in the afternoon. I think it's at around about 4 o'clock, and you can feed a whole host of local birds like cockatoos, galahs, and a whole heap of parrots as well. There's tons of different birds here, and it's a really interesting thing to come and check out. All right, well, that's going to be it for us for this week. Next week, we're going to take a look at the second part of the journey. We'll see you then.